Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, my battery's dying already. I'm gonna do some laundry. By the way, it's Friday night. Woo! I'm gonna do some laundry. I'm putting away all those clothes and I'm gonna take out my luggage. We're completely cleaning this room. We are packing our packing cubes because technically I'm supposed to be packed today because tomorrow I have a busy day. Sunday I might have a busy day, and then Monday I'm going to my best friend's house, so I gotta get a lot of things done today. My room has to be spotless because I don't want to come back to like a dirty room, you know. Nice vacay, gotta get everything in check. I'm gonna do my usual pack with me with you guys, so you guys are gonna see that. But right now let me go do some laundry. I'm gonna watch Harry Potter. I started getting into Harry Potter because, you know, everybody loves it. I was like, let me see. I saw the first movie. Harry Potter is a vibe. I made a coffee at 10 o'clock at night. So good. I haven't had a coffee from my house in a long time. Oh, I put the camera on because I wanted to give an update. So I found all of my summer clothes. I currently was just sewing one of my favorite bathing suits together. Okay, so I wanted to buy some more jewelry. I'm obsessed with jewelry, like that's my thing. So I'm trying to fast order some rings to her place. I wanted more necklaces, but I'm kind of lost in the necklace world right now. Like I'm so lost in the necklace world right now. So I don't know exactly what to get. What did I do? Okay. But yeah, I basically ordered a couple rings that I thought would look so cute. I'll show you guys what I ordered. I ordered these two. I have my mask on. I finished my coffee. You know what? I'm gonna add a lip mask to this, and I'm gonna fold that big mess, okay, while watching a YouTube video. Peace out. Welcome to day 2. I have somewhere to be. I'm like kind of stressed about it, but I'm trying so hard not to be. I did a lot of things yesterday. I want to sleep pretty late, but I got the laundry done. I organized everything I'm taking. I started making a packing list. I was just crossing off things off my list, and that was very exciting. Then I created a things to pack list. All right, I don't know where we left off. I'm gonna be honest with you. Today is Sunday. I have a girls' dinner party at 6 o'clock. It is currently 1 o'clock. I just came back from church, having some bad coffee. I basically have no time tomorrow, so I am going to write a list. I did my nails yesterday. I did half of my nails yesterday, which is just applying my base coat. I'm kind of upset because for some reason this one looks a lot more no, this one looks more opaque than this one. I use the same amount of coats. I think it's like that first color that I used, I didn't put enough on this one. Like, it is really, it's the smallest difference, but it's really aggravating me. I'm really trying so hard not to just redo them, but I'm not going to. All right, y'all, I did it. So this is all one day, right? I have 2 bathing suits for this day, a dinner outfit, and then a going out outfit, or the dinner outfit could be the lunch outfit, whatever. It's just dinner and then going out. These are just extras for excursions that I might do. I have some swimming trunks, 2 crop tops, and then a romper or jumper. This is either a dinner, this is a dinner outfit. The going out outfit is at my best friend's house. So this is a dinner outfit, and then these are the day outfits. So I'm very happy I have this all laid out. I'm about to put them in the packing cubes. What time is it? I want to be done by like 3 o'clock. So then by 3 o'clock I can start getting ready for my dinner. Did you? I'm ready to go to Mexico. Oh, nah, these packing cubes. And I feel like if I really wanted to, I could have stuffed them more, but I was just doing categories in my head. So all my outfits fit in that one packing cube. This is the large one. It's not that many outfits, but still, and I still have space, like, you know? Wow. Guys, I'm just astonished of how organized my life is going to feel. I'm a mess. Hi guys, excuse my face. It's I was trying out this foundation to take, and I can't even look at myself. I look crazy, I'm well aware. I'm trying to finish packing. I have literally 30 minutes to get my life together before I have to run out the door and make it to my lash appointment. I'm just basically cleaning up. Last night was wild. Last night was crazy and I had so much fun. It's a great way to bring in the week. It's giving Advil and sunglasses, you know? So, and my mom made me some soup. So good. But yeah, let me finish packing, y'all. I don't know how much I'm gonna record today. All right, I made it. Gonna do my lashes. I go to this place called Secret Lash in the city. It is so far the best. Like, I love them. So natural, so beautiful. We made it to Cancun. Guys, the weather is really, really giving. giving everything it was supposed to give.